Hello, my name is Riju Mondal and my roll number is 20EE10060. I have made this artistic flower pot. Now to make this I have used the part design. In part design I have made 8 sketches, and in that first sketch was a circle with a radius of 30 millimeters. After that I have reduced the radius to 25 millimeters and then again increased to 27.5 and then again decreased, and finally last two radius were 20 millimeter and 20 millimeter each. And after doing that I have used this loft to uh, give this material to that sketch. And after that I have got this, and then I have used this mesh design. Then and I have given from here I have given mesh fineness with very fine, or mesh fineness to be very fine. After that I have uh, saved it and then created an STL file for this. And after that I have taken I have opened it in Cura software, and I have here I have made the printing speed to be 60 mm per second, then printing temperature 200, and build plate temperature to be 80. Then uh, build plate adhesion I have kept bring, and that infill density I have kept it 30% to reduce the time, and that's it. After that I have sliced this, and it's now ready for 3D printing. Now it is ready for the 3D printing. Thank you.